Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can sign in into the Robinhood account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and search in for a www.robinhood.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of Robinhood. Here you can see the option of login on top right side of your screen. Just beside of sign up, you click on login. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide the following account credential, that is, first of all you provide your registered email address. Then you go in for providing your password. Here, after you provide both the details, you click on login where you will get directly logged in into your Robinhood account. Just in case if you forgot your password of your Robinhood account, you need to click on the link given, that is, forgot your password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into your Robinhood account. Thank you.